I have two natures beating within my chest. One is foul, the other is blessed. One I love, the other I hate. The one I feed will dominate. There's a war going on inside. Which army are you going to give the ammo to? Which army are you going to feed? Which army are you going to strengthen? Which army are you going to make sure has everything it needs to thrive and win victory? The new nature, born of God, born from above, a new creation, or the old sinful nature designed to take us to hell and death and the grave. The one we feed will dominate. The tug is always going to be there, but we can quiet the pull, we can quiet the voice, we can lessen the strength of the sin nature by starving it, by killing it, by ignoring it, by rejecting it, by saying no to it. And then we feed our new nature, the new creation, with the Word of God and fellowship and worship and prayer. Thank you, praise and worship team, for Friday night.